Good evening, everyone. So, based on our group meetings, in which we discuss in enabling assessment number 5, specifically business growth. So, today we're going to explain how we applied in our workplace readiness skills in addressing the problem and providing them solutions by using effective communication, critical thinking, time management, and collaboration.
TJ, effective communication.
For the number one, effective communication. So, effective communication is the cornerstone of a productive workplace. It ensures clarity, fosters collaboration, and drives efficiency. Clarity and conciseness are key. Messages should be straightforward and free of unnecessary jargon. Equally important is active listening, giving full attention, paraphrasing to confirm understanding, and asking questions when needed. Adaptability plays a crucial role as communication style should be tailored to different audiences and contexts. Nonverbal cues such as body language and tone further reinforce messages. Open feedbacks channels create a culture of trust, enabling constructive dialogue and mutual respect. Technology facilitates seamless communication, especially in remote settings. Tools like email and videos conferencing streamline interactions, but cultural sensitivity must always be observed to ensure inclusivity. Additionally, addressing conflicts promptly with a focus and solutions promotes a harmonious environment. Consistency in messaging and alignment with organizational values strengthen trusts. Regular self-assessment and skills development help refine communication over time. In essence, effective communication is a vital skill that transforms workplaces into thriving hubs of collaboration and success.
Number two, as for critical thinking, critical thinking is essential in workplace situations related to business growth, as it enables individuals to analyze problems, evaluate options, and make informed decisions that align with organizational goals. By using critical thinking, employees can identify root causes of challenges, anticipate risk, and develop innovative strategies for sustainable growth. Let's say, for example, a company experiencing declining customer retention despite a growing customer base. As for the solution, using a critical thinking, the team analyzes customer feedbacks and identifies dissatisfaction with post-purchase support. They implement a proactive customer service program, including follow-up calls and personalized solution, which improves retention rates and boosts long-term business growth. Thank you.
For the number three, time management. In addressing the workplace situation related to business growth, time management skills were key in solving the problem and creating a clear path to success. The main issue was inefficiency caused by poor scheduling and a lack of task prioritization, which led to delays and confusion within the team. Team members often didn't know what to work on first or spent too much time on less important tasks, which slowed down progress toward our growth goals. This lack of organization highlighted the urgent need for effective time management strategies. To solve the problem, I suggested a simple approach focused on prioritizing tasks and using time more efficiently. First, we identified the most important tasks that will directly contribute to business growth and set deadlines based on their urgency and impact. We use tools like shared calendars and task management apps to create a visual timeline, helping everyone stay on track and understand what was expected. Additionally, we recommend breaking larger goals into smaller manageable steps with realistic deadlines, which help the team stay focused and motivated. Time management strategy greatly improve our efficiency and accountability. By prioritizing tasks and setting clear deadlines, the team was able to use their time more effectively, avoid delays, and keep moving forward.
So for the collaboration, in a workplace scenario where a company struggles to innovate due to an effective department, effective collaboration can drive business growth. When the problem arises, when different teams such as marketing, sales, and product development, we must work independently without sharing insights or resources. This lack of communication leads to missed opportunities for innovative solutions and slow down the overall progress of projects. So to address the issue, the company should implement collaboration strategies. First, it is essential to establish clear goals that align with the company's vision, ensuring all teams understand the shared objectives. And also, regular brainstorming sessions should be organized, allowing team members from different departments to come together and share ideas, fostering creativity and mutual respect. Utilizing collaborative tools like project management can help streamline communication and keep everyone updated on project developments. Lastly, the company should also establish team building activities that can strengthen relationships and mutual respect among employees, making them more comfortable sharing knowledge and collaborating on a projects. By creating this, it encourages open communications and teamwork. The company can break down silos and enhance creativity and ultimately drive business growth through innovative solutions. That's all for our workplace readiness skills using effective communication, critical thinking, time management, and collaboration. Thank you.